A bill for an act to provide for the collection of property tax in the Federal Capital Territory has passed second reading in the Senate. The bill seeks to boost revenue generation in the FCT by enhancing the capacity of the FCT administration to impose property tax on land and buildings in specified areas of the FCT. Also, the bill to establish the FCT Board of Internal Revenue passed second reading in the Upper Legislative Chamber.
Highbrow area in the Federal Capital Territory. The owners of these houses may soon be feeling the pinch of owning properties in this area, as the Senate is working to pass a bill which would impose property tax on land and houses in specific areas in FCT. Asokoro happens to be one of the areas targeted by the bill. The sponsor of the bill, Senator Smart Adeyemi, said the basis for the property tax bill is to generate internal revenue for the FCT to guard against the danger of bankruptcy, as evidenced in many states of the Federation.
Only last week, the joint committee that considered the motion under the chairmanship of Senator Barnabas Gemade recommended that states should diversify their economies in order to enhance internally generated revenue. It is against this background that I am advancing this piece of legislation as an alternative source of IGR for the FCT for the provision and development of infrastructure and other social facilities within the Federal Capital Territory.
Some lawmakers supported the bill but called for caution.
The tax or the property would have to be assessed, and that is going to be the beginning or the point at which compromises could be made. Because a house that maybe with fair and proper assessment pay 200,000 naira could be valued for 50,000.
But Senator Ben Ayade from Cross River State opposed the bill.
Contractors are not being paid. There is growing pressure on private sector. People are throwing people out of employment market. An additional tax at this point in time is an additional pressure on the people.
The bill to establish the FCT Board of Internal Revenue also passed second reading. The sponsor of the bill, Senator Smart Adeyemi, said the bill, when passed into law, would enable the FCT collect taxes and also determine the actual taxes collected in the nation's capital to ensure better planning. Also at plenary, the Senate swore in the wife of the former Senate President, late Senator Chuba Okadibo. Senator Marjorie Okadibo was sworn in as a senator representing Anambra North Senatorial District following a Supreme Court ruling after a long legal battle over the seats. Linda Akibe, Channels Television News.